Is there a drawer of unopened cards somewhere?
I'm sorry.
I just wanted to know. I've only ever heard my mother's version of the story of why you left, and I was just wondering if maybe you have a side that I haven't heard.
Your mother moved to Boston, and I wanted to, but she told me not to call or come around, and she was, eventually I remarried, and I'm sorry.
Do you snore?
What?
It appears that I snore. My mother never did, so I was just... Forget it.
I snore. Snore like a trucker. You get that from me. The wax earplugs work pretty good.
Thanks.